Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that all of you are doing fine. It gives me great happiness to welcome all of you to Functional English. I hope this course will not only help you to improve your English language skills but also increase your confidence to communicate effectively in your academic, professional and everyday life. Before we begin, let's first understand what Functional English actually means. Many people think that learning English simply means memorizing grammar rules or learning difficult vocabulary. But Functional English is different. The purpose of this course is to help all of you use English in real life situations. Throughout this course, you will learn how to express your ideas clearly, communicate confidently, improve your reading and listening skills, build your vocabulary, participate in discussions, deliver presentations, and become a better writer and speaker. This course includes selected ideas from Stephen Covey's famous book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. You might wonder, why are we studying a personal development book in an English language course? This is a very good question. The answer is very simple. Language develops best when we have meaningful ideas to talk about, read, write, and reflect upon. The 7 habits provide those meaningful ideas. As we improve your English, you will also learn about responsibility, goal setting, time management, teamwork, effective communication, and continuous self-improvement. Each habit will become the basis for different language activity throughout this course. But I have a small request. Before we begin today's lesson, I would like to make one request. Please keep a notebook with you. During every lecture, write down new vocabulary, useful expressions, and important ideas. Whenever you are asked to complete an activity, pause the video if you need more time. These recordings are designed so that you can learn at your own pace. There is no need to hurry about. What matters most is that you understand the concepts and enjoy the learning process. Let's do the first activity. That is very interesting. Let's get to know each other. Now that we have introduced the course, it's time for our first activity. Before we learn to communicate with others, it's important to learn how to talk about ourselves. Introducing yourself is one of the most common communication skills you will use throughout your life. Whether you are meeting a new classmate, attending an interview, participating in a workshop, or introducing yourself in a professional setting, the ability to speak about yourself with confidence is a valuable skill. Today's activity will help you practice exactly that. On your screen, you will be shown a series of questions about yourselves. There are no right or wrong answers because every person is unique. Your task is to read each question carefully and answer it in 1 to 3 simple sentences. Remember, don't copy someone else's answer. Think about your own experiences, interests, and personality. I hope you enjoyed reflecting on your own experiences. Learning English is much more meaningful when we connect language with our own lives. Now let's move toward next activity, where you will learn through a beautiful animated story and discover how observations, listening, and critical thinking help all of us become better language learners. Let's strengthen another essential language skill, that is reading comprehension. Reading is much more than recognizing words on a page. Good readers think, question, analyze, and connect what they read with their own lives. The more you read, the stronger your vocabulary, grammar, writing, and critical thinking become. In this activity, you will read an interesting article titled 3 Comfort Zone Hacks Are the Key to Incredible Productivity. As you read, don't rush, read one paragraph at a time and try to understand the writer's main message. If you come across an unfamiliar word, first look at the surrounding sentences and try to guess its meanings from the context. This is an excellent reading strategy that helps you become a more independent learner. While reading, pay attention to the writer's 3 important suggestions. And after reading the article, you will answer a few comprehension questions. For example, what do people sometimes need to do that feels uncomfortable? What's the writer's first suggestion for stepping outside your comfort zone? And what should you do after taking the first step? Which suggestion do you think you need most in your own life? And finally, can you think of one activity that becomes easier through practice? Take your time and answer in your own words. If necessary, pause the video while you complete your reading and writing. Now that you have completed today's language activities, let's spend a few minutes understanding how this course is organized and what you can expect throughout the semester. When we understand the purpose of a course, learning becomes easier because we know what we are working on. Throughout the semester, you will develop all 4 language skills: listening by watching videos and paying attention to spoken English, speaking through discussions, presentations, and reflective activities, reading by exploring articles, stories, and selected chapters from the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, writing by expressing your ideas clearly through short responses, reflections, and other practical writing tasks. Learning through the 7 habits will also give you an opportunity to improve your personality by adapting yourself according to what you have learned from the book. Each habit provides meaningful topics for learning English. For example, you will build vocabulary from the book, practice reading comprehension through selected paragraphs, watch inspiring videos connected to each habit, and participate in speaking activities. Write reflections based on what you have learned. In this way, you will improve both your English language skills and your personal and professional development. Now let's move towards the next activity, that is the listening activity. You will watch a short clip from the television series. Active listening is outdated. At first, this title may sound surprising. Does it mean listening is no longer important? Not at all. The purpose of the activity is to show that effective communication is more than simply hearing words. It also involves understanding people's emotions, observing their behavior, showing empathy, and responding appropriately. Before playing the video, read all the questions carefully. Knowing the questions in advance will help you focus on the important details while watching. Keep your notebook beside you and write down keywords or short phrases as you watch. Each activity of this course has been designed to help you become a more confident English user while also developing important life skills. Dear students, today was the beginning of an exciting learning journey. Remember, learning a language is not about speaking perfectly from the very first day. It's about improving a little every day. Read regularly, listen carefully, speak confidently, write thoughtfully, and most importantly, never be afraid of making mistakes, because every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Thank you for joining me in our very first Function English lecture. I look forward to learning with you throughout this course. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. If you feel any confusion, there's no need to worry about that. You may contact me anytime through the given contact details. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.